the journey begins. And there's a plane. While we're pulling out, the plane is pulling in. There we go. Now we are boarding. There we go on board. And we're leaving Parry Sound. There we go. There we go. Now we leave Parry Sound behind and we're boarding onto the Island Queen. Let's get another shot of this. There we go. We're leaving the trestle and the airplane behind and we're going away. This is my dream come true. This is how far the trestle is moving back. There it is, the Stocky Center over there. I tell you one thing, my church members are really going to envy me, and so is my family. Look how far back the trestle is getting.
Queen is designed for your utmost safety and comfort. On the first and second decks, life jackets are located above the windows on each side of the ship. On the third deck, life jackets can be found in the lockers behind the windows. Life rings are located at well-marked stations on all three decks, and inflatable life rafts are across the stern on the main deck. The captain asks that all passengers refrain from removing life jackets unless advised by a ship's officer. The captain also requests that all passengers refrain from throwing garbage into the water and from sitting on any outside rails. Parents are also asked to keep their children from running on both the inside and outside decks.
There it goes. The CPR trestle is disappearing into the distance.
The Island Queen was built in 1990 in Port Colborne, Ontario by Fraser Ship Repairs, a division of Algoma Steel. The ship is 132 feet long, 30 feet wide, and can carry 550 passengers, making it the largest sightseeing cruise ship in Canada.
Ooh! We're getting a blow.
Along the shore to the right is a gray building with a large dock out front. This is the home of Sail Parry Sound. The sailing center was established to conduct sailing training for people of all ages. Sail Parry Sound also promotes Parry Sound as a world-class sailing destination and organizes races and regattas.
There's the Stocky Center again.
To the ship's right is one of the largest Canadian Coast Guard bases on the Great Lakes. The Parry Sound base serves not only Georgian Bay, but also Lake Huron and Lake Superior. The primary duty of the base is to maintain safety on the lakes. This is accomplished through search and rescue, icebreaking, and the maintenance of over 3,000 aids to navigation, such as lighthouses, radar beacons, light buoys, and range markers. To assist in these operations, the base has many small day boats, 2 helicopters, helicopters, and a large icebreaker. Next to the Coast Guard base is Parry Sound's Town Beach, a very popular spot for locals as well as visitors to the area. The beach boasts a large playground for kids and